guys, it's BB. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that all of y'all are having a lovely day. Alright, so in today's video we are doing the gratitude collaboration, which is hosted by our wonderful friend Jovi over at Creating with Jovi and Cindy A. Lewis. Thank you ladies so very much for inviting me on to do this collaboration. This is the first week, so every week we will be uploading a video of our prompts, and I'm really excited to show you guys what I created for the first week. We have introduced this cutie in the past, so this was some giveaway winnings from the beautiful Kathy over at Kathy's Favorite Things, and so she embellished it with this cute little mushroom, this beautiful tie closure, and then I made a journal topper with some of the printables that Jovi and Cindy created for us, and also they have freebies up on their Facebook, so be sure and check that out. And the printables will also be linked down below in the description, so be sure and check them out on Etsy. Alright, so without further ado, let's go ahead and show you guys the first prompt. I'm going to show you guys my little journal topper, and I just love this mushroom. It's so cushiony and precious. Alright, so for my journal topper, I went in with some of these, they're thick cardstock little fussy cuts, and my friend Kara gave these to me. They're so cute, and then I applied some sweet little vintage trim here. I love it. I've been using it a lot. It's so cute. And then you can see the printables here, and then I backed it up onto some blue cardstock. And if I want to, later on in the future, I can add a sweet little pocket and then add some goodies in there too if I so choose. Even that looks really cute, doesn't it? I might have to add that. Let's go ahead and do that now. That is so cute. They gave us a lot of printables to work with, and I'll be showing them here on the screen for y'all so that y'all can check them out for yourselves. And looking at both of their kits, it's just warm and cozy. You guys will absolutely love it. Look at that. How sweet. Alright, so now I've added that little ephemera piece. It's so cute. And it goes great for my little journal topper. Alright, so for week 1, thank you Kathy for my journal. I was looking forward to incorporating a bunch of my goodies into it, so for my gratitude journaling. Alright, so here's what I created. I used the printables in the background, and then I typed it out into my Samsung notes, and then I printed them out. I just wanted them to have them in a different text so that it would just look super cute. I used some vellum here from the kit as well, and then I added this little label here so that I can put the date and or put week 1 for the prompts. And so week 1 is what scent instantly makes you feel at home. And so I did write a little long story, but I hope to I don't know, I guess kind of share it with you guys in hopes that you can get to know little BB from when she was a little girl. So I'm going to share that with you guys now. It says, when I asked myself this prompt question, I came to the realization that I was answering this with my parents' house in mind, regardless of me being grown and having my very own place. Why is that? There's something comforting about the scents we grow up with. You can take the child out of the home, but not the home out of the child. So for me, my favorite nostalgic scent that makes me think of home is the smell of wood fire. Oh, and then I backed it up onto here, onto some wallpaper, and then my story keeps on going. Like I said, it's a little bit long, so I made this little card using some of the ephemera that Kathy sent me, and then it opens up to a little book like this. But I embellished it again using some of the printables and then some of that beautiful trim that I love, and then I also used some of the papers that my sweet friend Kara, my crafty sis, sent me not too long ago. It says, The wood fire, we refer to it as leña in Spanish. I recall going out with my family and my siblings to go out to Maljamar to pick up mesquite wood. Since there was a lot of mesquite wood out there, it's a large and open space. Daddy instructed us to pick semi-mid-sized firewood pieces to throw in the back of the truck. I feared that there would be spiders on the branches all of the time or crawly bugs. Sometimes I try to show off and pick larger pieces of leña to see if Daddy would be impressed at how much my little arms could carry. This is the hand-picked wood we would use to make our family cookout or discos. Some of our most favorite family recipes would be cooked over this leña. There's no other scent so nostalgic for me like this one. I'd sit outside with my daddy and I would just enjoy watching as the fire danced and crackled. I enjoyed feeling its warmth on my face and legs. The smell was always very strong and smoky, but it's never bothered me. I love how the scent clung to our clothes. Daddy's hugs with the scent made the embrace that much warmer to me. Sitting there accompanying my daddy would make me laugh when he would make up stories of village stick people and their burning teepees. He created funny little high-pitched voices for them as they ran and screamed in terror, or you could hear others scolding one another for their houses burning down. Daddy has always been incredibly good at crafting up funny stories. This scent is home for me. So anytime that I smell that, it takes me back to that moment of me being a little girl and just spending time with my dad, or later on getting the chance to eat delicious food and knowing that me and my siblings were the ones that picked that leña, So that is a very sweet memory to me, and I wanted to share that with you guys no matter how long it was. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and once again, thank you ladies for letting me participate in this wonderful collab. I so very greatly appreciate it, and I can't wait to hear everybody else's prompts. You guys please take care, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Bye!